Hey guys, it's Yolandie. Today I'm sharing with you how to decorate easy peasy cupcakes. Now, I used only one nozzle for this, the Wilton 1M1. These days you get the normal 1M that doesn't say Wilton, but yeah, the original Wilton really stood out for me. So it's one nozzle with 3 colors, and I made some fondant decorations the previous day. All I'm doing is the same pattern all around it, except for one. When we do the purple, I'll show you. I'm just going around swirling, making little rosettes all on the cupcakes. These soft colors blend beautifully together. I really like to make my frosting fluffy and let it whip a long time, and then it's really incredible. And then here and there I will just place some stars. I found when I looked at them, there were little spaces that need filling up. So instead of grabbing another nozzle or another color, I'm just putting some star dots everywhere, and I mean, look at them. They're already so soft and fluffy looking, and it's just perfect for a little girl's second birthday. So her name is Zoe, and last night I just dropped and made some fondant pieces to go on top, added small little butterflies. Don't think you can see them clearly though, but they are there on each topper. I also made some butterfly wings and full butterflies, added some really cute luster dust on it. I just stayed with the same colors more or less, made the butterflies a little bit different and added the leaves. I didn't want green leaves, so for some reason I chose that color. Don't know if it works, you can tell me in the comments below, but I just thought they worked nicely. And then everywhere I just made some small little butterflies using those cute little fondant or silicone molds. Added some fondant. You can also use chocolate actually to put it in. That's really popular and really nice. I was pressed for a little bit of time with this order. It was a last minute request that I just couldn't let go. I mean, I need to make Zoe's heart happy. And then just for added bonus, I decided that I'm going to show you how I pack it up. For me, packaging has been the ultimate thing for first impressions. When I started baking 12 years ago, people used beer boxes, believe it or not, and I hated it. And I told myself I will never ever do that. I'm going to find, even if it makes my cupcakes a little bit more expensive, having an elegant box and a place to put my cupcakes in that they don't shift together just felt really important to me. Always use glitter. They just round up the cupcakes. So I found these boxes come in different sizes. The inserts you buy separately. This is the 12 box. You get 6 and 24 as well, and it's got a little see-through lid at the top, so it's easy to put the inserts inside. Just decorate the cupcakes inside the box, and then I wrap it up. And just to put it a little over the top, I made my own branded stickers that I put in front that just says go on and open it. I know you want to, you can put anything there, but it just shows how dedicated I am to this. And always a little business card, and there you go. How beautiful is that?